Well, hey everybody, got something for you today. We're going to do a review on a couple of new monitors I picked up. These both are going to be identical monitors. These are LG, they're IPS LED monitors, and they're 24-inch. They're full HD, so these are going to be 1080 monitors. I really don't have a need to go to 1440 or 4K for what I do, and was looking at an ultra wide and ended up being able to get two of these cheaper than I could get an ultra wide and end up with more screen real estate. So we're going to get these unboxed and take a look at them and talk about some of the features of these units, get them set up and give them a test drive and let you guys know you know, kind of how they do, and give you my honest opinion on them. So we're going to do a quick review on these. So this is the LG 24MP60VQ, and picked these up at Costco. They were $129.99 each, so you know, less than 280 bucks with tax. I've got two 24-inch monitors, so we'll be getting all this switched over. I've been running a single monitor for forever, it seems like, and so it'll be nice to be able to get these added in, and I can actually run 3 monitors, but I'm gonna try to just set it up with 2. But my video card will allow me to run up to 3 at a time. So we'll go ahead and we'll start working on these, get one of them opened up and get it unboxed and see what we got. All right. Okay, so let's we'll open up our first one here and see what we got. So it looks like we got our stand here, our base. We'll set these to the side here. Now here it looks like we got a package of some different things here. Let's see what all we got. There's kind of a clip, and here's our power connector, and then they included a USB, or I'm sorry, not USB, but HDMI 2.0. That's nice to be able to have that come in the box. And we've got a set of instructions here. You don't need those, right? So let's to the side. Let's take this off. Box. I was debating originally when I was looking at these. I was thinking I wanted to go with an ultra wide, but I've used it, you know, 24-inch forever, and got to thinking, I thought, well, you know, I'd probably be just as well off just to go with 24s, and got to looking, and I could actually get 2 of these cheaper than I could get an ultra wide, and don't have to worry about funky screen formatting and those kind of things that can happen with that other, and I can keep, you know, when I'm at a 1080p, I'm gonna have true 1080p resolution. So and then this this particular monitor here also has some other features. It has a screen split 2.0 feature that's built into it that will allow you to configure your screen multiple ways. So I know most computer screens will allow you to kind of do a side by side, but this will allow you to do up to 4 individual sections in the monitor if you want to, which is nice. You know, if you're doing some setups for video recording and you're doing some stuff for streaming, things like that, you got multiple you know, setups that you can run to kind of keep up and monitor everything. So kind of excited to get these set up and see how that looks. One thing about these are not equipped with VESA mount, which, I mean, that's not a big deal for me. I've got plenty of desk space here for me. Now they do make a kit that you can get on Amazon that is it's like a set of 4 brackets that'll hold the monitor, and it gives you, it will mount up to a VESA mount, which will, you know, be on a set of arms, so you can still make these work. But right now I'm not really pursuing doing that. May do something at some point, or may put them on some kind of a riser, or may build a riser or something if I need to lift them up a little bit higher, but I'm good with them sitting on the bases. This does have HDMI 2.0 input. It's also got DVI as well, and so, and it's you know, it's got audio connection here if you need it, and then also it's got D sub in, and then here's where your power connection is. Lance, no fussing, buddy. Sorry, Lance is up here with me, but anyway, it's pretty straightforward here on the back. So I'm gonna get this stand attached to the bottom here, and then we'll get it stood up and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so this piece attaches on here, and there's a screw here on the base, and I'm just kind of tighten this up with my fingers right now, and then I'll get my my screwdriver and tighten that back up here in just a minute. And then this piece here will attach on to here, and there's a little plastic clip right here that will attach into the front of this. So we'll put that on just like that, and then we will stand this up. So base is very easy to connect to it, and let me move this around a little bit here where you guys can see it. But so this is a 24-inch. It's an IPS, it's LED. It does have tilt features in there. It doesn't have, you know, swivel options, but I don't really need that, because once I get these set, they'll be staying where they need to be. So I'm going to get the other unit out of the box and get it put together, and we'll get them moved over onto the desk, and we'll get them powered up, and we'll take a look at them. Okay, so got them both set up and got them configured. These are two 24-inch IPS monitors running at 75 megahertz on the refresh, and they are FreeSync enabled. And so I'm running an AMD RX 570 video card in my machine, so FreeSync just hooks right up. I am very, very pleased with both of these monitors. The clarity is incredible. Just having the color depth that they have, also just the brightness that the panels have as well. So for the longest time I've been using just a 23-inch HP monitor, which did fine. It was you know, just an older LCD, but these are LCD LEDs. So it's got LED backlighting with the LCD panel, and then of course it is IPS. So so far these are working out fantastic. I absolutely love them. I've had no issues at all. They plugged right up, and everything booted right up perfect for me. So this is going to give me some good flexibility on some of the stuff that I work on with video production, and also I'm getting ready to start putting out a daily ministry broadcast that'll be going over on my other YouTube channel that I have, which is just under Kevin Mayfield. But I'm getting ready to start doing some additional stuff over there as well. So anyway, hope this video has helped. These are 2 great monitors, and again, you know, I picked these up at Costco for $129 a piece, and so instead of ended up with 34 inches if I would have went with the IPS, I've now got 48 inches of real estate, and so it works great. So anyway, hope this information is helpful to you. These are fantastic monitors. They do not have speakers on them, but I don't like speakers in monitors. I'd rather have my own separate speakers. Just the sound on, to me, in my personal opinion, sound in monitors usually is terrible. So I'm glad these did not have speakers. They're very lightweight, very thin, so they don't take up a lot of space, and they work great on the desk here. So anyway, hope this information helps. Be sure to drop me a like below, or leave me a comment if you've used, or if you're using these as well, and I'd like to see what you think about these also. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.